Hey Mike, Alma here. It was really nice speaking with you last Thursday. This short video shows where your website stands in comparison with two of your competitors and what you could do to have more potential customers find you and return your services. So let's get started. I want to give you 3 tips. I want to talk about content, backlinks, and citations. What is content? Content are all the words and pictures that you have on your main page. Google doesn't care how beautiful your site looks. They're looking for content. According to Google, you should have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your main page. So this is your main page, and I have your competitors also. Let me show you. I have EconoWest here. This is their site. And I also have Pager Plumbing, and this is their website. And we're going to compare the 3 of you to see where you guys stand when it comes to content. I have this tool here I use. It's telling me that you have about 513 words on your main page. Let's look at EconoWester, 810 words, and we have Pager Plumbing with 584. So just by you increasing your content on your main page, you're going to be ahead of them when it comes to content. The second thing I like to talk about are backlinks. And for that, I have a tool that I use called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. It costs about $300 a month. You can use it yourself. But I like this tool because it gives me information on what's on the background of your site. Let's look at backlinks. It looks like you have 1,100 backlinks, and the backlinks give you this power. What are backlinks? Backlinks are links from a page on one website to another. If someone links to your site, then you have a backlink from them. If you link to another website, then they have a backlink from you. And they are important because they help with the following 3 things. Number 1 is the ranking. Google sees them as votes of confidence. Generally speaking, the more votes you have, the more likely they are to rank for relevant search queries. Number 2, it helps with discoverability. Search engines find new content by revisiting pages they already know about to check for new links. And search engines revisit popular pages more often than unpopular pages. They may discover new content faster if you get backlinks from popular pages. Let's look at your competition. They have 719 for EconoWest. Looks like they lost some of them, and they don't have a lot of power, just a little more than you. And let's look at Pager Plumbing. They have very little backlinks, and obviously, as you can tell, not much power. Okay, so you want more backlinks from popular sites to pass on what is called the link juice, which is the term that we use to describe and measure how much power a backlink passes on to another site and therefore strengthens it. Let's talk now about the 3rd tip, and that's citations. Citations is having your business name, address, and phone number in as many local directories online as possible. It looks like you have 60 here, and this gives you the trust. Let's look at your competitors. EconoWest, 78. They're listed on 78 directories, and they have more trust. Let's look at Lancaster Plumbers at Pager Plumbing. They only have 10, not giving them a lot of trust. So you also want to increase your citations, because citations lend credibility to your business and help impact your ranking on Google. So to summarize and to beat your competitors, you'll need to increase your content anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your main page, including pictures, but they also need to be saved under relevant keywords for the local market in which you are. You also need backlinks from more authoritative websites so that they can pass on the link juice to you and give you that power. And a lot more citations, having your business name, address, and phone number listed in as many online local directories as possible. These are some of the things that you can implement yourself to outrank your competitors, or this is something that I can definitely help you with, like I have helped a lot of the customers whom I sent this screencast to. My name once again is Alma. My phone number is 661-406-0608, or you can reply to my email. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, Mike, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you.